Good morning, Professor Alfonso. My name is Nicole Peñaranda, and today I'm going to present my homework, which is how to present and defend an idea. The use of guns dates to 1971 when the Constitution was written. The Second Amendment it states that I will regulate militia being necessary to security or free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. In the contest, citizens defend themselves against attacks from the other continents or places. And these regulations protect the citizens' right to self-defense and historians saw this acts as a means of preserving freedom. In this debate, we will present the argument for why there should be strict regulations and discuss the issue of gun control as well as the impact of the use of these weapons. The video that convinced me is about President Trevor Noah, who expresses his anger and anxiety about mass shootings is different in different parts of the United States. The issue is becoming commonplace and therefore there's an urgent debate of the subject from this perspective in my perspective. In my opinion, I disagree with the carrying of weapons because first the use of weapons by the in the street or inside a business. Delivery increases violence and security increases the risk of violence. People experiencing emotional reactions such as anger, injustice, mental health issues, among others, can act on their own, which instead of addressing the issues can lead to homicide, suicide, and irreversible accidents. Secondly, mass shootings are increasing in different parts of the country as people often experience economic and social inequities and can lead the conspiracies and plain protest the states. That is why guns are misused. They can also transform ordinary everyday violence into lethal violence. Third point is that mental, physical, and emotional health are affected using guns because people cannot leave their businesses without feeling the fear and anxiety of a shooting. The use of these weapons is harmful. As for example, massacres can occur in a school where people with access to these weapons without any or limit regulations can cause death and are highly dangerous individuals. Let's but on a list. Carrying weapons is exclusively for professionals and experts, such as the police or the navy, for for the purpose of maintaining public order. However, within a peaceful area where problems can be resolved by law, possessing weapons is prohibited because it can cause death and injury to people who, for the most part, do not comply with the law. Measures such as age registration, physiological tests on criminal records should be considered. Thank you.